Hey, it's Ron, Durham's Fine Upholstery, Southern California. Listen, I just wanted to show you a little something here. This is one that was totally done wrong. I don't know how many years ago. This fabric could have been the 70s, 80s, who knows. Now this is the big reveal, okay? Here's what I haven't looked at this yet. Let's look at the deck. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. Got a layer of cotton over here for the edge roll. Looks like they stitched an existing edge roll. Okay, that's okay. All right, here's what happened. Last guy, looks like he tried to retie some springs and didn't, looks like he cut the burlap here all the way across it and then didn't replace it with a new piece. Wow. So many things wrong with this. It's hard to go into detail right now, but you know what? This is what we put up with on a day-to-day basis, and this is the reason it takes a long time to do this. It's very labor intensive. Wow, this is going to cost me about a day at least to take care of this. Anyway, that's the life of an upholsterer. Thanks for watching.